All right, so today we're going to learn another way to do our multiplication, and this one is called partial products. And remember, products means multiply, and partial means we're doing it in parts. So as a reminder, we have done expanded form, we have done area model, and now our third one is going to be partial products, and your job is to pick which one makes the most sense to you. All right, so first we're going to start with our problem. So we have 6 times 182. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put a star on the one that I'm going to expand. All right, so I'm going to expand 182 to expanded form. So that would be 100 plus 80 plus 2. Okay, and so we draw our box, and then we do our 6 times here. Okay, and then let's show what it looks like for expanded. So expanded, it would be 6 times 100 plus, so we did 6 times 100. Now we're doing 6 times 80, and then we're doing 6 times 2. Okay, and so over here I'm going to write the problem 182 times 6. This is our new way. Okay, so I want to show you how this one goes. All right, so now we multiply. So let's pick a new color here. So we do 6 times 100. 6 times 100 is 600. 6 times 100 is 600. And this is how it looks over here. We've got 6 times the 100. So then we put 600 right there. All of these are the same step. All right, now let's go to our tens. We've got 6 times 80. And we can do our boxing up, and that's 480. The same over here, so we know that 6 times 8 is 48, and we have our 0, so we have plus. And now this one is 6 times 80, and it's 480. Okay, so now we are doing our last one. Let's use green. 6 times, well, we can write here, 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. I've got to remember to put all my pluses here. And then how we write it right here, 6 times 2 is 12. And the tricky part with this one is make sure that you are lining up your numbers correctly. Now, in all of them, we have to add them. And it's going to be the same. So it's going to be 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. So with each of these models is 1092, 1092, oops, and I forgot my comma there. So with this one is expanded. This one is area model. And this one is partial product. They all show you the same answer, just a different way of getting there. The tricky one with this one is to make sure if you are multiplying in the hundreds, you say 6 times 100, not 6 times 1. And this one is 6 times 80, not 6 times 8. And then this one is 6 times 2, because it's in the ones place. So we are going to be practicing all 3 ways today and tomorrow. And then as you get used to them, pick which way makes better sense to you. So I'm not going to make you always have to do all 3, but for right now, as we're learning them, we want to practice all 3, and then we will pick which one makes more sense in your brain. We will be practicing this in class today.